Hey everyone, it's Shelley from the Shelley Killinger Group at RE/MAX CSI. So today I have the great pleasure of introducing you to this home behind me, 1109 Linden View Drive. It is a truly spectacular townhome. It at one point was the model townhome for the Linden View community, and it hasn't been on the market since it was built in 2003. It, because it was a model home, has all sorts of extra details, trim work, built-in shelves. It's got bump outs on the front and the back of both floors, and it has a truly spectacular backyard. So why don't you go in, take a look, and then meet me out back.
Music Vibe.
Well, everyone, what did you think? It's a pretty spectacular home. And what makes it even more spectacular is that it's an end unit. So you have this amazing side yard and the back deck to use for your family parties or just tossing the football around on a Sunday afternoon. You're across the street from Linden View Golf Course. You are just a stone's throw away from Route 19 and all of the shops, restaurants, grocery store, and post office that they have to offer there. If you like what you've seen in this video, just give us a call and schedule your private showing today.